Hi everyone, this is Mr Neel Raithatha, also known as the Wax Whisperer. Thank you for tuning into this latest video. So the patient who attended with a fully blocked left ear, they also suffer from otitis externa, which is a form of infection or inflammation of the outer ear canal. So it's an umbrella term. In this particular patient, their otitis externa materialised more as psoriasis, eczema, hence why there's a lot of dry, dead skin flakes. Patient's also got a lot of cilia, a lot of hair at the entrance of the ear canal. Now this plug of wax was extremely hardened, very dry, and therefore I was using an ear hook. There was no way you would be able to remove this using microsuction. And I've just managed to mobilizing the plug of wax from the perimeter of the ear canal wall, because it was very tightly adhered with all the skinny adhesions. I'm just on the posterior lateral canal wall here. I've managed to prise the ear hook inside, and I'm just going back in superiorly at the roof of the ear canal. Now I've managed to get the hook embedded within the wax now, and I'm slowly bringing this forwards, and it was a huge piece of wax extending right from the entrance all the way to the patient's eardrum. You'll see in a moment I've measured it at over 2.6 centimetres. Considering the ear canal is on average around 2.6 centimetres to, you could argue, to 2.8. It's the largest piece of wax that I've ever removed in one single piece, and you'll see I've used a digital ruler to measure it. My previous record was 2.5 centimetres. So the patient, I've advised them to use some acetic acid spray, more specifically. In the UK, we call it ear calm. It's meant for otitis externa. And you can see there, so it's 26.61 millimetres, which is 2.661 centimetres. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys.